Afternoon and welcome back. Today we are going to Paris. Are we going to Paris? So today we are going to Little Italy, right? The place is called Little Italy, right?
I think that's the small place that's called.
किसकी जैकेट है ये?
Oh, that's mine.
Oh, निकालो. So we are going to a place called Little Italy, and then Little Italy or Little something. I'm gonna check on the Google. And it has a little Eiffel Tower over there, like literal replica of Eiffel Tower. So we are going there, but before going there, we are gonna go stop by, grab some food, and then to a Korean bakery, and then we are gonna go just check out that place. We don't have anything planned for today, so that's why we are just gonna go. We just planned randomly, and then we're just gonna go check out the new place and chill and come back home. That's it. Aiden, are you excited to see little Eiffel Tower? Okay. Mayang is also ready. And what, baby?
I want to see me. I cannot see myself.
Now do you see yourself?
Yes.
What do you have in your hand?
Oh, we're going to that bakery thing first?
Yeah, I
What
sent
is it
you
called?
Oh.
That is not coming.
I did not? It's
Gina,
called...
come on.
It's the bakery that's inside
nobody
H Mart.
coming?
But they opened their independent store
What?
in Raleigh. It's called Torsir. I can never pronounce this. Torsir.
you.
Tors,
No,
the Jaws,
Dadu.
or whatever it's called. But if you know how to pronounce this, do let me know in the comment section. Okay, let me send you the.
No, Dadu.
So basically,
yes.
the place is called Little Eiffel Tower. That I send you the location,
Only
babe.
Jima leave. Leave Jima only.
Can you get
And
her?
then
Yes.
this thing. Sleep.
That's
Yeah, Little Eiffel
Dadu.
Tower I have.
Yeah, let me
What
send you the
about
directions.
Jima?
Jima.
I'm messaging you for the bakery.
It's called Tours
No, you cannot come.
Tours.
Yes.
Tours.
Jima can come.
I don't know. Do you pronounce J?
It sounds like a whore when I say that, but I'm sure it's not like it's TOUS, it's LES and JOURS. So I'm gonna look up the pronunciation of this
Yeah.
thing because it's French and I don't want to butcher it, but that's what it is. We will
Daddy.
put it in the comments or tag here.
Yeah.
Jima coming.
So that's where we are gonna go.
Ready?
So we are almost here. We're walking to the restaurant and Dad was like, so what do you get here? We said it's a bakery. He's like, so you get stuff for free?
India में bakery में free में देते हैं क्या?
No, there's nothing free, but the bakery is very good. Here it is. There's the bakery.
See, what do we want from here? Mama देखिए.
Dad, look behind there.
Oh.
So they're hot dogs. Close on. I'll love to eat that for dinner. Love to eat that. What do you make for dinner?
Hot dog.
Hot dog. Thank you.
Bread's in.
I would love to order this.
Tray?
हाँ.
Is that mango on top?
Yeah.
Can I try it?
Yeah, you can.
I love mango. Can I take a look at it?
No. Let's try the
I was about to fall
Ubal
out.
latte.
I was about to fall out like this. I'm supposed to catch.
Ubal latte is very good. It's a veg either. So good. All the food is so good. Every single thing. And do you love it?
Yes.
Tasty भी है.
इसको और टेस्ट करो.
Yummy.
Do make a note of it.
I gotta see the camera.
Okay.
What?
It's what is it called? It's
Lafayette Village.
Lafayette Village in Raleigh.
कलरिंग भी वो उसी हिसाब से छत देखो वो आउटर टावर
Alright, we are gonna try and find some parking.
Yeah, and then we'll show you guys around.
Here.
Yeah, you can actually park
Mom,
here.
now I already gotta go home then.
Everything around here is like very French.
Architecture-wise.
Yeah, architecture-wise.
That's a little.
It has like small boutiques, shops. See, there's a dog spa.
There's a fireplace. Look at that fireplace.
Yeah.
For evening.
Spine boutique आ गया
Dog hai.
डॉग का है डॉग लिखा
The dog is made of grass. And look at those sunflowers. So, baby, how will you see things if you're on?
And this is
right?
bird food.
See.
There's birds sitting over there, and they're gonna come and eat bird food.
Yeah.
Here. I didn't hold hand.
Very
Yeah.
cool thing here
A long
for
road.
kids to draw with
I'm
chalk.
gonna draw, Mom, I'm gonna draw a
Like
plus.
an open area. Yeah, okay.
I'm drawing. First we make I'll teach you. First we make a line. Then draw a
Wow,
plus.
good job. Now can you write A?
Yes. First. I didn't make an A.
Good job. Now write Y.
Wow, good job.
What is that?
Do you wanna write Y?
Is it a hard key?
There's the Eiffel Tower, a mini baby one.
Mommy.
So we are back home. We came back home like around 3:30. Right now it's 5:30. We're just chilling. Mine is making dinner. And Aiden is just playing, right Aiden?
Yeah.
What are you playing? We're gonna quickly run by all these because we need cucumber. We did all groceries but we forgot cucumber, so we're gonna go get that. Oh, gili ho gayi. Naya nikali. And Aiden is just here driving. Driving what? The car.
The red car. Remember, this same car crashed, and then Mom, I'm telling you something. Mom, remember this car crashed and then it became on fire.
Yeah, so basically he's talking about so when we were going today and yesterday in the highway, there was a car that caught fire or standing on the side. So he's talking about that car.
Mom, do you know how I was thinking it go like this? And then the fire came on it.
Alright guys, so dinner is cooked and eaten.
At least by some.
Yeah, by a few people. She's concerned about the roti over here. Aiden is still eating. He is trying to eat by himself, but he needs some help.
Right?
Don't touch your eye. So we had a beetroot roti with some dal and some beans and potatoes. It's a strawberry one. That's what we told him. There are some chicken wings for protein that she's sucking her finger on. It came out really, really good. The veggie. The dads are playing some card game with their drinks and chicken. Is there a ritual to play that game? I think it's called marriage. For anybody who knows, raise your hand in the comments. And they make a drink, they have some appetizers, and they play marriage. And after that, they will have their dinner. And then we made gajar halwa yesterday. And it came out to be delicious. So we are gonna warm it up a little bit later on and enjoy that.
Alright, we are here in the media room now. Done for the day. Kitchen is cleaned up, everything is done. Aiden is asleep, so that's why we are just gonna watch some movie, some TV, enjoy some gajar ka halwa that his mom made yesterday, and just chill for the night, I guess. So why is it so blurry? Hello. Yeah. So I guess we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Until then, bye bye.